I'm that kind of a guy, guys, who believes a lot in motivation. There was a story of this young man. This young man wanted to be so successful, and he wanted to be rich, by the way. He wanted to be rich. This is a story, maybe you've heard this story maybe before. This guy wanted to be rich so bad. And he went to Google, the normal Google, and said, Google, tell me how do you make it? How you are so rich, and how did you become rich? And Google said, oh, young man, okay, I'll show you how did I become rich. This Google man was an old man, and he said to this guy, meet me by the beach at 7 a.m. in the morning. Meet me by beach at 7 a.m. in the morning. And this guy said, okay, I'll do so. And from there, the guy prepared himself, he wore his suit because he was going to meet a millionaire. He wore his suit instead of wearing maybe the shorts, he wore his suits, and he went to meet Google. And when he got there, Google was wearing his short, and Google said, no, okay, come closer to me. And they went to the ocean, to the water. And when he went to the ocean, and as soon as the water was getting into the knees of this guy in his mind was saying, hey, but I said, I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I want to be a billionaire. So how come this man is saying he must swim now? Okay, this guy is wearing the suit. And they walk as the water goes deeper, and they Google's keep on talking, and it's telling him about how to make money and how to be rich. And as soon as the water was here from this young man, and he was scared now, and as soon as water was here by the neck, and Google hold this guy by the head and drown him, maybe for a long time, because the guy he was struggling, he wanted to breathe, he was struggling. You see, when you're drowning and somebody is pushing you down, is holding you down, and you can't breathe. And as soon as this guy was about to pass out, Google just let the guy say, okay, cool, come out. And the guy came out, and the guy was, he was breathing heavily. And Google asked this guy, I'm still waiting for the guys to come in. And okay, I think we're fine now. And Google asked this guy, and he said, as you were under the water, what were you thinking? Google said, were you thinking about the soccer game? Were you thinking about a certain show in a tip on TV? The guy said, no. He said, I only wanted to breathe. And Google said, if you want to be successful as bad as you want to breathe, and then you will be successful. If you want to be successful as bad as you want to breathe, because when somebody is drowning you, the only thing that you think about is breathing. You want air, you want to exhale, you want to breathe in and out. If you want to be successful as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. So I want to leave this one with you guys and say, if you want success as bad as you want to breathe, definitely, of course, you're going to be successful. Okay. This one is recorded, guys, so don't worry. And it's recorded now. And this one is very, very, let me not say serious. We are going to the practicals now. Now we're going to be looking at a chart. We're going to be looking at how we make money trading Forex. Okay. We're going to be looking at how we make money trading Forex. So guys, let me just share my screen with you. Just share my screen with you. So good people, this is my daily bread. With my other team in the mentorship class, we call this our daily bread. It's this one and the NASDAQ. This is our daily bread. We call it our daily bread, which means I've analyzed this chart. I can tell you which direction it's going by looking at it. Okay. By looking at it, please mute your mic. Who's that? Vinola, who are you talking to? There's somebody who's making noise because I can't hear anything because I didn't. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just do this, guys, so that I can hear what is happening. Let me just do this. Sorry for a second. I want to remove this mic and just use the headset, because the headset I can talk and at the same time I can listen to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. If you can hear me, guys, okay, thank you guys. I can see here. So yeah, so now guys, this is what we call our daily bread. Yeah? Why we say that? Because we like to trade USD and NASDAQ. So, but today what I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be showing you something that is very simple and easy. Yeah? When you trade, we trade using a platform. What do you call that platform? We call it's either you are using MT5 or you are using MT4. Yeah? In fact, a platform from the broker. I mean, all brokers have their MT4s, of which can be MT4 or MT5. So those are the platforms that we are using. Yeah? So I believe most of you downloaded the MT4. Who didn't download the MT4? Who didn't download the MT4? And you tell me why in a comment. Why didn't you download it? Who didn't download the MT4? Anyone who didn't? And why you didn't download the MT4? Because if you don't, I said that yesterday that you must download MT4 because you're going to be looking at the chart, isn't it? So here, everything starts here, guys. This is a chart. I'm making an example. Okay, let me just check a common chart. Let me check a Euro USD, a common chart. Euro USD, where are you? Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. I can't see Euro USD. How come it's so far? Okay. Euro, okay, there you go. Euro USD. Let me check. I like to check the comment while if you can't hear me, okay, let me just start. If you can't hear, please log off and log in. Log in. Okay, 2 people who want to join again. You are joining, okay, Faiza. So guys, here, this Euro USD is a famous, Euro USD is one of the major pairs because when we are trading, we got major pairs. Major pairs are those pairs that are including Euro USD, of which that are including US dollar. We know that US dollar is a powerhouse when it comes to, guys, please, your background, guys. We know that USD is a powerhouse when it comes to trading. Yeah? In fact, of the economy, USA is the powerhouse. Once they sneeze, the whole country catch the flu. So we always know, we know that. Yeah? So here, all the pairs that has USD, not all of them, there are major pairs. Most of the major pairs, they have USD, I mean. So there's Euro USD, there is a pound and a dollar, of which is a GBP. We call it GBP. There's USD, JPY, pound, dollar and a yen, and there's a dollar and a Kiwi as well, or Kiwi and a dollar, of which Kiwi is a New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, we call it Kiwi. That's a nickname for New Zealand currency. And there's Australian dollar as well, and USD. Those are ones we call them the major pairs. The major pairs. They are major pairs. But you can trade any pair. As you see here, I have beside the thing, beside the NASDAQ and all other pairs. As you see here, I got, if I can tell you, I got Euro USD, Euro NZD, pound and OD, gold and USD, USD JPY, pound and the dollar, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, all of these, you can trade them as you go down. Down there, ow, hey, ow, my homie, USDs are, yeah, USDs are, and you can see, USDs are, you can see here at the chart what is happening. You know what is happening in a country. You can see, if you look at it, if you look at, if you look at USDs, you can see what is happening here. So when you trade, there are time frames as well, guys. Now there are time frames. So it's either each candle here, because here, as you see, there's 15. You see here, guys, there's 15 here. Yeah, there's 15. Okay, let me just do like this. Here, there's this 15 here. Okay. Each candle here represents 15 minutes. Each candle represents how many minutes? 15. Okay. So when I go to weekly, if I go to weekly, my internet, I don't know what's wrong now. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Let me just do this. Let me just check this one. I don't know what is happening, guys, with my internet. Somebody's bewitching me. Yeah. Do we have people from Limpopo here? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we are. There you go. When you go to, sorry about that. When you go to 1 week, so in 1 week, each candlestick, let me just make them look like this so that everyone will be able to see what is happening. Let me make them look like this. When you check here, guys, when you check here, each candle here represent 1 week. As you see, this candle, it represent 1 week. The next candle, another week. The next candle, another week. As you see here, we've got candles that are blue and others are red. Yes. So the red ones, the red candles represent the market. When the market is going down, we are saying the market is perishing. When the market is going down, the market is doing what? Is perishing. But when the market is going up, we are saying it's bullishing. Okay, I'll tell you why we are saying that. Yeah. So as I was saying that the blue candle represent the bulls, yeah? The red candles represent the bears, which means the market is going down. So someone will say, hey, the market is bullishing. One will say, no, the market is perishing. So as I was saying again, bear in mind, each candle represents 1 week. Yeah? And we have 2 candles, it's red and the blue candle. Yeah? But when you're an experienced trader, you can always change the candles. You can always make them your own color. But as long as you understand that, okay, this one is going up and this one is going down, you can also change the candles at any given time. But I want you to know that each candle here, as we are on 1 week, it represents 1 week. The reason why we are saying there's a bull and a bear, it's because when it's going up, we say, okay, when it's going up, we say it's bullishing. Why are we saying it's bullishing? It's because when the bull fights, when there's a bull fight, when it fights you, you can be down here, but it will take you up. It fights with it will take you up. And the bear, when the bear fights you, the bear doesn't take you down up, but hey, this English word, guys, I'm not an English teacher, please forgive me on that. It just, yeah, what do you call this? Yeah, it does that, yes. That English word just ran away in my mind now, okay? I'm sorry about that as well. So guys, yeah, so that's what happens. So when the bear fight, it fight like this, but when the bear fight, it push you up. So that's why they say the market is bullishing and the market is bearishing. So as I was saying, each candle stays for 1 week. And if you go to 1 hour as well, each candle here in 1 hour stands for an hour. Yeah? For 1 hour, this candle will change after an hour. This candle just started now. It will change after an hour. Yeah? You can see that the market is going down here, but when you are trading, there are strategies that we use to figure out where the market is going. Yeah? Faizi, please, Faizi, please. Faizi, please, if you make noise, I'm gonna kick you out in this group. Please, guys, okay? Thank you. So, and again, guys, something that you must know. When you place, let's say you place a trade here, you are selling in the sell. For instance, you place a trade here, you say, this is gonna be a sell, it's coming down here. I'm just making an example. The trade here, stop losses here, and you say it's a sell. Yeah? We count these in pips. We don't count it in rands or what, or in dollars. We count it in pips. We say, I've made so much pips. Pips are money at the end of the day. Or I've lost so many pips. If you say, I've made so many pips, for instance, let me check from here to come down here. How many pips are this? How many pips are this? This is 3,155 pips. Others, they call it point, 3,155 pips. So that's, if you win, you say, I've won so much, I've banked so much pips. If you have lost, I've lost so much pips. So that's how it works. What are the pips now? When you look here, Okay, let me just remove this because I was just doing a demonstration. When you look here, you see there are numbers here. Okay, let me take you to, I think I'll take you to, should I take you to a thingy? No, let me not take you there. It's fine. Let me not take you there. But when you look here, these numbers here on the side, okay, there's 14 here. Let me try. There's 14 here. Okay, let me just do this so that you can see these numbers nicely. Okay, this one. Okay, there's 14, 2, 5, 9, 3, 0. Okay, I can do this as well with the pen. Yeah. Okay, let me just do this first so that you can see it nice and clearly. Okay, let me just move these so that you can see it nice and clearly. Let's say now we are trading is any pair. Né? The pips, how do you calculate pips? Né? They say here, okay, we are here. Okay, we are doing, let me just go back to, so that I cannot confuse you, to a Euro USD, man, to a Euro USD, because they're the one that I was working with. A Euro USD, there's a Euro USD, guys, in 1 hour. So when you are trading, okay, let's say we are here. Let's say there's 1 point, 1, where's my okay, 1, okay, there's, I can't do this with this, 1.8 is, oh, there's 1 here again, 1, 1, 5, 0. Please forgive me, guys. Please forgive me. So if you calculate the pips, you count from here. You count from this one. This one is a dot here. Né? As you see here, guys, you see here, it's 1.18150. So you see here, it's 1.18150. So now, so let's say the market moved down maybe 10 pips, which means it's going to be 1, okay, it's going to start here, 1.8160. Yeah? Because if the market moves, maybe how many pips? 10 pips. So because this one, we start calculating from here. So if you calculate the pips again, guys, so you take the last, the last 4 numbers, yeah? The last 4 after the comma, the last 4 after the comma. If there are 5 numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this we call it a pipette, not a puppet, a pipette. Yeah? This one, you don't calculate this one, okay? You don't calculate this one, but you start from here, because I made a mistake, sorry about that, because I thought there were 4. You start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you take this one and you minus this one, you get the answer. If you say, okay, here, how many pips? Okay, let's say it moves up or it moves down. Let's say it moves down, okay? From 5, you minus there, you get the answer. So you say, actually, you say this minus this, but you calculate only the last 4 digits. But it's different when you are trading the pairs, like the Japanese, the pairs which got a yen. Because a yen, it doesn't give this. It doesn't give you this. When you trade a gold is still fine, because when you go to gold, for instance, let's go to gold. For instance, it's gold here. Gold is very easy. Let me start here. There's 1, 8, there's 28 as well. There's 28. So now how are you going to calculate it? And after maybe there's some 0 zeros here, maybe. Okay. How you going and now there's 1, let's say there's 1826 again. 1826. So you can even take your calculator, 1826. You can even take your calculator. Let's say maybe the market moved down. Yeah? So you can even take a calculator and say 1828 minus 1826, you get an answer. That is a pip. That's a difference. Because a pip is you want to get a difference. How many pips? See, because which means like you're going to say 8 minus 2, because all the numbers are the same. 8 minus 2, how many is that? Is 8 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2, sorry. 8 minus 6 is 2. So which means it's going to be, the market has moved with 2 pips. I don't know if you understand me, guys. If you understand me, go to the comment section and say why. If you don't understand me, say no. Comment section and say something. If you understand me, just go to your comment section and say something. If you don't understand me, just say no. Thank you. You understand me, Johnny. Okay. Hey, Sister Tabang. Yeah, here. Guys, let me tell you something. There's a lady here by Sister Tabang. We are with her in this main group where I mentor, where I do mentorship. She's still here, guys. She's so hungry, this woman. She is so hungry. The way she's so hungry, I'm telling you, she's going somewhere. She always asks me questions. She'll inbox me or DM me on WhatsApp, say, Mr. D, I don't understand this. Mr. D, I don't, and send me the graph. Mr. D, I analyze the chart. How does it look? Is it good to enter here? Ash. I like a person like that. I like a person who's hungry, because you must be hungry. You must be hungry, because if you are not hungry, thank you guys that you can hear me. Because if you are not hungry, guys, you're not gonna make it in this business. So this is how you calculate the pips, guys. This is how you calculate what the pips. Okay. So again, let's move forward, guys. So in fact, this 2, if it goes on your advantage, this 2, it's your pips. It's your money. This 2, it's your money. It's your money. How? It's your money in a manner that it moves in your position. It moves in your position, which means it gives you 2 pips, which means now if you are trading a standard account, let's say each pip, because I trade in dollar, I don't want to trade in rands, because I want to get paid in dollar, and my other account is in pound now. I just funded it. So okay, so if maybe, for instance, you're trading a standard account, I saw people opening an account and they open a standard cent account. No, standard account, guys, standard account. But if you've already opened because you're learning, it's fine, because I want you guys to learn and be able to do this by yourself. Because at once, I didn't know anything about this. I didn't know anything about this. I was just like you. I was black. Maybe some of you are smarter than me. You can even hear my English is not perfect, maybe as your English. I didn't go to the so-called multiracial school. I went to rural areas. I didn't want to learn English, but I was forced. I went to DUT. I had to learn and study there. And still, I'm a qualified debt counselor, by the way. I'm registered with the NCR, but I'm trading Forex because this is what works. Okay, cool, guys. So let's say you've got a standard account, which means if you've got a standard account, because there's a standard account, there's a macro lot, there's a mini lot as well. We'll go deeper on those things now when we are in the stage whereby you are able to trade by yourself. Let's say now your standard account, you've funded your standard account with $1,000, of which is $15,000. This is a good amount to start, guys, to start trading. $1,000, $14,200. This is a good amount to start. You know this amount, maybe Sister Saban can tell you. I take this account, I can take this account a day. A day I can take it to maybe thingy, not I can take it maybe to 1,000 a day. If I trade really $1,000, I can take it maybe to $2,000, $2,500. A day I can double this account. It's a very easy account to double. Man, if you got this account, and it's wow, guys, it's wow. You guys can still see me. Can you still see me, guys?
No.
You can't see me.
No, sir, we can't see you.
You can't see me. Okay, cool. It's fine. Let me just stop sharing. I'll attempt this. Let me just stop sharing because I want you guys to see me. But can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can, sir.
Okay, as long as you can No, it's fine. As long as you can hear me, it's fine. Let me just put the logo. It's fine. As long as you can hear me, it's fine. So I was saying, guys, okay, let me go back to sharing this. I was saying, guys, I can take this account I can double this account a day. Is a good account to trade. So if you are trading, let's say, okay, because I want to come here. Let's say it moved it gave you 2 pips. So now we are trading a standard account, and you have started with the $1,000. We have started with $1,000. I believe now that you can see me. Let me just stop sharing and go to my video of which now I think you can see me now. Okay. Yeah, I think now you can see me. Let me just go back and share my screen. If you don't see me, it's fine. As long as you can hear me, that's what matters the most. So I was saying, if you got a $1,000 account, so, and you are trading a standard account, and which means here a standard account, 1 pip is equal to $1. Okay. So which means if you have moved 2 pips, you have moved with $2. Yeah. Let's say you have moved with 20 pips, it means you have moved with $20. How much is $20, guys? If you have sometimes, most of the time, the trades that you play, sometimes we bank maybe 100 pips, yeah? Or maybe each trade, I'm not talking about the whole day, each trade, you bank maybe about 100 pips, or maybe you bank about maybe about 150 pips, it depends. Maybe 150 pips. So which means you're gonna say 150 pips times 1, that it gives you $150. How much is $150, guys? Each trade. Yeah. So here we are talking about using the lot side, of which is the lowest 0.01. That is the lowest lot size you are using, 0.01. So tomorrow we're gonna be placing a trade. Now, guys, we're gonna be placing a trade. So I wanted you guys to have this understanding of the pips, how you make money, because that one is very important, guys. How you make money in the Forex market. Yeah? So it has to move on your direction. Let's say we are trading. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, even if I don't move it because I'm gonna be out now. Let's say we are trading, Moses, you're late, by the way. Okay, let's say we are trading here, and let's say we are here down here, and we place this trade and say it's gonna go up. Let's check how many pips it has gone up with. It's 351 pips, 315 pips. Okay, let me just say, yeah, okay, it went up with 315 pips. Yeah, 315 pips times $1. How much you should have made by the time? Guys, somebody's making noise with the radio. Somebody's making noise with the radio. Please switch off your music. Thank you, guys. Okay. So yes, that's what I was saying, guys, that when you place a trade here and you take profits here, but look at this candle. I want you to look at something, guys. Look at this candle from here till here on top. Let's say I like to measure the pips from here till here, 1,271 pips times $1. How much is that? How much is that? That's a good money that you're making. But the things that you have to learn as well, risk to reward, because you can lose as well in trading, but you must have a good strategy. And at the same time, you must have a leader, somebody, even me too. I still have a mentor, somebody that guides me in my trading, because I need a mentor as well. Yes, I can trade and make good money. To get to 100,000, it's fine. I can get there. It's not a problem. You give me this $1,000 account and say I give you maybe 5 days to take it maybe to $1,000 account, but there'll be a high risk. I want to say that will be a high risk, and say, Mr. D, in a month's time, I want you to raise this 15,000 to 100,000. I will do that because I know how. But why do I have a mentor? Because at some point we tend to forget the basics, not forget the basics, and tend to be casual. So you need somebody that's gonna hold you accountable and say, Mr. D, when we started the week, we sat down and we said, a week we're gonna be making this much. Yeah? This is your strategy. Are you still following your rules? You need somebody that's going to hold you accountable. I'm paying Mike each and every month. I'm paying him. Why? Because if you want to be, every successful businessman, they have a mentor. They have somebody that hold them accountable. Sit down with you and look at the book. Sit down each and every month. I sit down with my mentor and look, how much did you make? Where did you go wrong? So, and rectify the mistakes that I make and say, no, next time don't do this, try and do this. So this time around, we're gonna be working this way. So you need somebody that's gonna guide you. So guys, I'm here, I'm gonna guide you for free. I'm paying, but I'm gonna guide you for free, guys, for free. As soon as we are done with this class, I'm gonna take you to another class whereby, to another group whereby, because I'm not gonna be doing any free class anymore. I just gave back, I just did this class, and I'm fine, guys, with that. And I'm not gonna be doing any free class no more any free class. I'm not, it's somebody who missed out on this one. I'm sorry, guys, but all of you guys gonna be in this group whereby I'm gonna be pouring my house out. I'm gonna be doing everything that I can to make sure that you guys, you reach your dreams. You guys, you become successful as well. Guys, tomorrow we're gonna be placing a trade because I wanted you to understand that this is a chart. This is where we analyze. We analyze the chart, we look at the chart, we look at the market, where the market is going. But for now, tomorrow, I want you, please, guys, tomorrow in the group, beginners group, tomorrow in the group, I'll be giving you signals, and I will send you a video of how to place a trade in an MT4. So your duty is to download an MT4, and I'm gonna send you a link to the group of me, of my YouTube channel, where I analyze, where I set the MT4 to be the way you want it to look like. And I'm gonna send you a video of how I place a trade on the MT4. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, guys, during the course of the day, so that in the afternoon we're gonna be busy trading live. I'm gonna be trading with you live, but you're gonna be trading on your demo, okay? You're gonna be trading on your demo, and I'm gonna be trading on my live account. I can trade on my live account. I don't mind. I don't mind, because I know what I'm doing. Yeah. So tomorrow, guys, we're gonna be working on that, and it's gonna be exciting because you're gonna be placing the first trade. So some other things, guys, I told the guys, so look, guys, I have a YouTube channel. If you want to learn more like this, gonna be on the YouTube channel. So by tomorrow morning, it will be on the on my YouTube channel. Excuse, I'll send you the link as well again to the group of this of what we are doing here to my YouTube channel. You can go there and watch all the videos. If you want to be step ahead, you can check other videos as well, and it will help you in Forex. In order for you to grow, guys, the only thing that will make you grow is to work sure that you work on yourself, you work hard on yourself. You sit down alone and you analyze the chart alone. If you put more work alone, I'm telling you, definitely you'll be successful. That's what I did. That's what worked for me, and it can work for you. Definitely. If you want to be successful, do what I do, and you'll be successful like I am successful in this journey. So guys, it's all about that for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. And someone is coming in first. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, whereby we'll talk on a group. Even now, if there's something that I spoke about here now and you don't understand it, take it to the group. It's fine. I'll be there. I'll answer you. I have one class at 9 today. I had one class at 9, and yeah, I will be with you guys after this, because now just ended now. I'll be with you, and all the best, guys. All the best. Am I saying right? Yes, all the best in learning Forex. Yeah, go back and just look at this thing, and hopefully everything will be fine. And I'll see you in the group, because at 9 I'm having a class as well. I'm teaching. There are some other groups that I'm helping as well, and those ones are paying. You are lucky. Lord, you are lucky, guys. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the group. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We'll talk now. If there's anything that you don't understand, take it to the group. Thank you.